Welcome back to the channel today, guys. We have another box opening that I want to show you guys. I'm really excited about this product, so let's get started. So anyway, what we have today is a lens. I have never used a lens like this before, but I've always wanted to. Now I finally got my hands on one. This is the Meike 50mm f0.95. This is it right here. It was $1.99 and it goes on my Lumix G9 Mark II. We got the instructions and a pretty heavy lens. That's a very, very heavy lens for micro four thirds. Usually those are not near this heavy. So here it is up close, if you can see it. Hopefully that's focusing on it. We get any focus. So the first thing you're probably thinking, well, do I expect to get extremely sharp images with this? And my answer to that is absolutely not. It's manual focus and it's a f0.95, so I'll be focusing it and it's going to have a very small depth of field on it. Very, very small, especially if I'm all the way down at 0.95. But what I do expect from this lens is some character. Something a little different. I've got my Panasonic Lumix 25, which is the equivalent of a 50. This is the equivalent of a 100. And this one feels like it weighs about 10 times heavier than this one. Let's see how much this does weigh. I got the scale right here. This Meike lens weighs 403. And this Lumix lens is 152. So yeah, it's much heavier. But it feels like it's built fantastic. It's got the f-stops that go around the outer ring. I like that, where you can dial those in. Hopefully you can see this. The dial. It's a very smooth dial too. I like that. So I am looking forward to playing with this lens. We're going to be doing a photo shoot coming up soon. Now we're in the winter months, so we're having to catch some nice days outside. Hopefully we can have a model ready and a nice day at the same time. We've had to cancel a few shoots we've had set up with models because it has either been raining or too cold. Just crazy weather going on lately, but I really want to get a shoot done with this. I'd like to not do it in the studio. I'd like to do it outside because you can really start to see that depth of field when we're shooting outside, more than you can see in just a studio. But anyway, this lens feels so heavy. It just feels like it's made like a rock. If you guys have used, I've never even used a Meike lens. In fact, I'm not even sure that's how you pronounce it. It's M-E-I-K-E. That's what I call it. So it may be pronounced differently. If it is pronounced differently, you guys let me know down at the bottom. If you have one of these, or if you have any brand lenses made by Meike, let me know if you have one. Let me know if you like it. And I will be shooting some pictures with this soon, and we'll be showing them to you guys. Anyway, it's a short video today, guys. Just wanted to show you this lens. So just a short video today. If we're helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up, and you guys hit that subscribe button. And I hope you have a fantastic day.